CookieSwirlC? Well, hello there, Cookie fans! We are going to be customizing an LOL doll, and she's going to get a totally fantastic rainbow makeover. I'm going to be using all of these acrylic paints to create a rainbow girl. Oh, and she's going to look totally awesome, too, with rainbow colors. That is right. So which doll am I going to be customizing? Well, let's just open these up and... Oh, here's our LOL. Whoa, okay, looks like she definitely is in need of a makeover. This LOL doll has definitely seen better times. It looks like her hair is starting to peel off. She definitely needs a makeover, even her outfit too. Well, good thing we are going to rainbowify her. I'm gonna look so pretty. So of course I'm gonna be using all of these acrylic paints to create the color of the rainbow on this doll. Purple, blue, light blue, green, yellow, orange, pink, red. So the first color I'm gonna start out with is my purple. I'm gonna give it a shake. So starting with her hair, she's got a lot of hair here. We are going to totally make her over all the way up here to the top of her hair and as close to the bottom as I can. Now I'm gonna go in with my dark blue. Be very careful around the edges of her hair. Now her hair is kind of getting pulled back like this, so I do want to have it go towards the ponytail. Now we'll go in with the light blue. Now I'm gonna go in with my green. Look at how colorful she's looking already. Now I'm gonna go in with yellow. We are adding so much color to her rainbow hair. Now for the yellow, I'll probably have to do several coats on it just to make sure that color goes on nice and strong. There we go, so looking pretty good for the first layer. So layer after layer after layer, I'm just gonna build up this yellow color. So that color is nice and rich. And while I'm waiting for that yellow to dry, I can go in with my last color here, which is gonna be my red. So I can just start working on this while I'm waiting for it to dry. We still have two other colors we're gonna be adding in between. Now that the yellow has dried, I'm gonna go in with my orange. We're kind of adding that orange color right back to her hair. And same thing, just like the yellow, I'm probably gonna have to use several coats of this orange just so it doesn't look so streaky. And now I'm gonna go in with my pink color. Now I'm gonna start working on her bangs. So I'm gonna start with my rainbow now going the opposite way. So I'm gonna do purple on this side. Now I'll go in with blue. And pink next to my red. And next to my pink, I'm gonna put the orange. And my light blue on the other side. And a little bit of some yellow. Now green. Now I'm gonna start working on her ponytail. So now I'm gonna go in the same pattern that I did here. I'm gonna start at the very, very tippy top with my yellow. Drag my color all the way up and down. Same thing with my green. Take it and just follow it down right next to the yellow. And while those two colors are drying, I'm gonna go in with my red right on the side and my purple on this side. I'm just gonna keep painting layer after layer after layer until the rainbow is complete. Her hair is looking so amazing and colorful. Now, while I'm waiting for the rest of her hair to dry, I'm gonna touch up her eyes a little bit because they just don't look as crisp and clear. So I'm gonna go in with some black paint and just retouch them up. That's simple. Look at that. Look at what a difference that makes. It looks really good already. Now this other eye, and to work on her eyelash, I can go in with my toothpick and just put that color right back on. Ooh. Now I want to touch up her eyebrows. They're a little bit hard to see because it's just kind of such a bright pink. So I'm going to go in with purple and give her eyebrows. There we go. Now you can see them. Right, her eyebrows are on now. Now I just have to finish up her hair. So now I need to add in a little ponytail holder to hold all of her hair back. So I'm going to go in with some metallic pure gold paint. And right on my toothpick, I'm just going to paint her little ponytail holder all the way around. So that way it looks like her hair is being all banded together. All right, so now we're gonna work on her dress. So it looks like a lot of the glitter has fallen off or been rubbed off. So I'm gonna paint most of this dress all white. I'm just going to paint it, but we'll go in and we'll add some color to it. Now that her dress is painted all white, I think it'd be fun to continue with the rainbow theme. So I'm gonna paint like little stripies, I think, going all the way on her dress. We're gonna paint stripes on her sleeves and on the bottom of her dress. Of course, going in rainbow order. This looks so sweet. I can't wait for her to wear this dress. It's gonna be super duper colorful. So now I'm gonna let the sleeves dry, and I'm still gonna keep working here on the bottom, so I'm just gonna keep on going with my rainbow all the way around the dress. Now all of the little rainbow stripes have been painted on her dress. I'm just gonna go in with my white paint and I'm just going to clean up the edges to make them all even now. And on the sleeves, I'm gonna clean it up, make it look a little bit cleaner. Now I'm gonna add some sparkle to her rainbow dress. So I'm gonna use some acrylic glitter paint. Now this clear color is one of my favorites, so I'm gonna paint this all over the white part of the dress. Then I'm gonna go back in with my gold paint and I'm going to paint the bow gold. Now the last thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna seal in the color. So I'm gonna use some of this ultra matte varnish, and everywhere I painted with acrylic paint, I'm just gonna seal it in. You just wanna make sure you seal in all of your paint. That way it doesn't scratch and it keeps everything all nice and vibrant forever. And I'm gonna do the same thing with her hair. Just going to use my varnish and seal it in. Now for her eyes, I'm just going to switch over to a satin varnish. This makes her eyes just a little bit more glossier. All right, where is she? Where is this brand new rainbow BB? Ta-da! Woo! Look at all of that color! Rainbow crazy! She is so colorful. Okay, this doll totally got the ultimate transformation makeover. I mean, look at those colors inside of her hair. I love her ponytail. I love her bang color. See, I love that you can see a different wave of color from this side. So I really like that I had reversed that rainbow. She's got those purple eyelashes. She's got those little sparkle twinkles underneath her eyes. She's got a big gold bow and lots of little stripy colors all over her dress, and her dress glitters too. Now, if she did not have these shoes, I put these on her so they would match with her gold bow and with a little golden ponytail holder as well. I just think that she is just absolutely the cutest. What do you guys think? I hope you guys enjoyed this DIY LOL video. I really had fun customizing this doll and giving her a brand new look. Now she is like the Rainbow Queen. Ooh, that could be her name too. Stay absolutely amazing and stay super duper creative too. I'm obsessed with your fan mail drawings. Look at how awesome this is. It's like a cookie girl wearing a CookieSwirlC t-shirt. There's a rainbow behind her. It says, "Hi, I'm Jasmine. My sisters and I watch your videos all the time. We're your biggest fans. Hope you like my drawings. I love it so much, Jasmine. Excellent, awesome job." Oh, look at that. There's a cookie queen. I love this. Awesome job, Sarah. She's got these big giant cookies all over her dress, and she's got cookie hair. Oh, whoa, one of my cookie fans also sent in this little drawing book of everything I love. It says, "Yum, yum's good." We can flip through it. Ooh, yum, cupcakes, yes. Oh, cookies! Oh, look at that pink sprinkly cake. And then it also has like a secret little pocket that I can put anything I want inside of here. Like maybe I can put some of my Shopkins. Woo! Woo! There we go. They fit in there perfectly. So thank you so much for this super duper sweet book. Stay magical, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Just follow the rainbow. The pot of gold is another video. Woo! All right, Cookie fans, who remembers what was the very first color I added to this LOL Rainbow BB's hair? Who remembers what color I added first? Bye, Cookie fans!